contracting your belly towards your spine.
And this demonstrates the pace, the rate that you want the patient to breathe in, the children to breathe in, that you should breathe in. So it slows it down. Because you can't always visualize the abdominal breath work. But this is a good way. Laurie, you've used this in working with kids, right?
Kids love it.
Yeah.
It's a classroom from just chaos to calm.
Yeah.
Laughing gets the breath in the belly so well. Humming, singing, and shaking.
Oh, do you want to shake before? Let's leave them shaking.
Shake, baby. Shake. Really, shaking is a longevity exercise because as we get older, we get rigid and stiff, and this prevents it.